Ano dyan ang laro? Huwag kayong mag-shoot pag wala sa inyong bola.
All right, welcome to the third game. All right, the game starting right now. Ball of the nice ball. First shot, no good. On my intercept by number 10. Number 10, intercept by number 28, Bautista. Firing number 3, no good. Rebound by number 28. A long pass to number 10. Nice. Shot. Number 15 right now. Number 15, firing from downtown. No good. Bye. And we have number 2. First personal foul of number 2.
Yung maliit, yung pinakamaliit. Nangangakat.
Yay! Number 3.
Go, Dada!
Number 3 on his first, second attempt.
Yay!
Yes. Nice 2 shot committed by number 3. Wow, say nice ball right now. Number 2 is creeping. Firing from downtown. No good. Rebound by. Long pass to number 15, Dinderetso. No good. Rebound by number 2. A long pass to number 28. But,
Ulit.
oh, see.
Relax!
Alright, number 15 is driving the ball right now. Pass to number 22. To number 3. 28, pinasa sa labas. Tumira. No good. Out of bounds. Bola na ngayon. Sinai Steam. Number 2. Dribbling, looking for an opening.
Ewan ko lang.
Pass to number 10. Firing from downtown. No good. Alright, bola pa rin daw. Sinai Steam. Number 10 to number 28. Looking for an opening, time to shoot. Number 10, no good. Rebound by number 41. And we have a foul.
Inusa sa foul.
First personal foul, number 31. Number 2. Pinasa sa loob. Ulit lumabas. 10 to shoot. 4. No good. Rebound pa rin. Bullet. A long pass to number 15. Pinasa sa loob. Tumira. Yes, number 18. Good for 2. Our score, 4 versus 2 in favor of Indians team. Number 28. Offensive foul. Kaya ng mali kasi. Third team foul. Of Sinai. Right.
Internet.
Number 22 is inbounding the ball right now. Number 3, Tusino.
Mamaya pag nag-time out.
Tusino. Number 15. Back to Tusino. Long pass to number 28. Number 28 firing from downtown. Yes! points committed by number 28, Olympian Steve. Number
Dapat na siya
20,
pumupunta dun kay CJ.
pinasa kay number 14, tumira. No good. Bye-bye. Number 22, and we have a foul. Number 8, 28. First personal foul, number 28. Number 20. Same personal foul of number 20. Yes, number 2 right now. C9, intercept by number 15. Number 3 to 15, Tumira.
Yun!
Yes. Nice 2 shots committed by number 15, Bohol. Number 2, and we have a lost ball.
Hindi malok.
Number 3, long pass sa to number 18 to number 22, Tumira. No good. Rebound by number 2 of C9's team. Big pang intercept. Pinasa sa loob. Yes! A nice shot committed by number 14 of C9's team. Number 3. Hesitate. To take a shot. Number 28.
Yeah!
Number 18.
Parang wala lang.
Nice shot. Our score 11 versus 4 in favor of Philippines. A long shot, but we will make it. Intercept by number 2. Number 2, Manalihili. Save ball. 41, firing. No good, number 28. No good. Well, by number 22. Number 3, looking for an opening pass to number 15. To number 22, umeke, kinasa sa loob, tumira. No good. Rebound number 28. 28. Nagkagawan, 48 of 41. Naagaw na number 1, tumira. Number 28.
Taas lang, taas lang.
First personal foul.
Sino nawala ng internet sa kanila?
Player number 15. Number 28. His first attempt. Oh, good.
Dati.
Second attempt.
Ipopost to sa YouTube ha. Huwag kang...
Bohol. To 3 to Sino. From downtown, no good. Pass to number. Hindi ka na na-intercept, but nice ball. Bola pa rin daw. C9 team. Number 2 to number 28. And to shoot. Rebound by number 3. A pass break. Number 18. Yes. Good for 2. Number 18. Bola down bound. C9 team. Number 2 to number 10. Pumasok sa loob. Tumira. Yes. Good for 2. Intercept by number 2 of C9's team. 42 seconds more to play in this first period. In the first quarter of this ball game. 15 to 18, back to number 15 to 22. Looking for an opening. 10 to shoot, pass to the ring. Alright, out of bounds.
Walang foul yun?
6 minutes, 6 seconds. That's the end of the first quarter of this third game tonight.
Oh, wala pang cheer dyan! busy yung dalawa.
Naubos sa practice.
Alright, back in the ball game. Alright, back in the ball game. Mula na ngayon na Philippians team. Second quarter of this third game. Third game tonight. 22 intercept by number 10. Intercept by number 18 to number 28.
Yun, no?
Rebound by number
ang
28.
bilis.
Pass to number 2 of Sinai's team. A pass there to number 18. Number 10. From downtown. No good. Rebound by number 10.
What's this? What do you want?
Number 2. Pass to number 10. Tumira. Yes. 3 points committed by player number 10.
No. Wait, oh no.
Number 18 to number 32. No good.
Ba't wala silang tao sa gitna lagi?
Controlling the ball. Looking for an opening. Trying to set up. Number 2 to number 10. Tumira ulit. No good. Out of bounds. Bola pa rin ng Sinai's team. Our score 11 versus 13 in favor of Philippians team. Number 2. Number 41. No good. Rebound by number 6 to number 3.
Yeah! Go, Dada!
2. Number 41 to number 2. Number 10, Friday from downtown. No good rebound by number 22 of the Philippines team. And there's that line. Tosino dribbling, looking for an opening. 10 to shoot. From downtown.
Yeah!
Yes. Number 41, Tumira. No good, rebound by number 22. Number 3, and we have a foul. Number 10. Number 10, personal. Personal foul of number 10.
Who is this?
Tosino in his first attempt.
O, dali, cheer! Go, Dada!
Ang Philippines team.
Yay!
Number 2 of Sinai's team looking for an opening.
Ready?
Long pass to number 10. Number 10, Tumira. Dumukot sa ngaling, yes, good for 2. Number 10. Number 22. Dribbling the ball, looking for an opening.
Oh, that's
Pinasa sa kabila. Tumira number 3.
Yeah!
player number 3. Number 2 of Sinai. Looking for an opening, trying to set up. Pass number 10, number 2, binalik kay number 10 sa loob, yes! Goes for 2, number 10, Lacson.
Are you gonna play a game?
Number 6,
Play game.
to number 28, Bautista. Intercept by number 14, Dumerezo, nabitawan pa yung bola. Pinasa, but intercept again to number 23. From downtown, no good.
This game. Oh no! I thought your big on again.
Turnover.
Who's that? Dad?
6.
No, that's his bag.
Downtown.
Yay! Oy, cheer!
They stole the money. Here.
Number 2.
They stole the money.
Malili.
Oh no!
To 28.
Lying.
To 2. Sila sa kabila, number 10. From downtown, yes!
They see
Good
them.
for 3.
They see them.
Our score, 24 versus 18 in favor pa rin sa Philippians team. Bola na ngayon ng Philippians, number 18 to number 22. Gusto pumasok? Number
Yay!
6, yes, good for 2. Number 2, a quick pass to number 41, Tumira. Dalawa pa rin, yes. 2 points, coming to number 41 in the second attempt inside. Number 18, Tumira from downtown. Tumas yung bola, sayang. Number 2,
I need to catch. I need to catch.
number 2 to number
I need to catch the
10, Tumira. Very good. A fast
I
break.
need to catch two of these. There are bodies.
Yes. Good for
Yay!
2, committed by number 18.
I'm
Player sa
ready. I'm ready to play this game.
Number 2 is dribbling and controlling the ball right now. Gusto pumasok, pinasa kay number 10. Number 10, intercept by number 6. To number 3, a fast break.
Yay!
Number 3. Number 2 of Sinai's team, pinasa kay number 10. Lacson from downtown. No good. Rebound by number 14. Ricot, no
I'm
good.
down to one. You are.
Number 22, harassed by number 2.
Got the catch.
Number 22, nagaw sayang yung bola.
You're not gonna
Lost
be
ball.
on. I'm trapping them.
Our time, 2 minutes and 55 seconds more to play in the second quarter of this game. Number 22 from downtown. But number one by number 28, long pass 2. No good. Number 18 to number 3. To Sino. No good. Apak kay
Shot!
number
Yay!
28 for 2 points sa ilalim.
They're friends. One gets. Oops. I got them.
Oh, muli alam mo.
Why did I?
Oh, bola. Number 2.
Hey, what is he doing?
Number 28 from downtown. No good. Pinaliban.
I made a trap for him. He fell in the rope.
But
Okay, I'm gonna go in jail.
a lost ball
You're
committed
going to
by
jail. Let me clock. Let me put it in.
Alang gana yung mga nagsisipaglaro.
28.
Okay, now.
Parang sige,
Bola
practice
pa
na
rin
lang
ng
natin.
Sinai team. Number 2. Pinasa kay number 10. Lacson. Tumira. Lumukot si ilalim. No good. Rebound by number 28. Pick by number 10. Number 2. And we have a pass.
He's eating a donut.
Number 10.
I see someone eating. I see.
Second personal foul. Committed by number 10. Number 2 in his first attempt. Yes. A nice one shot.
Wait, to find footprints. And wait.
Number 2, start number 10.
What's this? What's this?
No good. Rebound by number 2 of Philippines. Sayo.
Oh, what's this?
Ayun, ayun, ayun.
Say go, Kuya, go.
Number 28. Rebound. Is the ball. Number 28. Ang dala ng bola. Number 28. Sumiretso. Pangalawa.
Hoy, huwag niyo sayangin! Ababa!
Number 42. Number 22. Long pass inside. Yes, a nice 2 shots delivered by number 3, Lucino. Number 10, Laxo. 30 seconds more to play. 10 seconds more to play.
Huwag sayangin!
18 to number 6 from downtown. And that's the end of the second quarter. Our score.
Oh, yung anak nito sino?
Scream. Look. We're gonna look. We're gonna check yung pen. Why does he have green hair? Like this is a and also see?
Bigay kay Ninong yung pen. Dali. Baka mawala.
Sino ba dong?
Look, oh wait, look, they're gonna escape.
All right, number 41, back to number 2 of Sinai's team. Number 2, through the ball from downtown. Number 10, no good.
He have a idea.
Number 41, Tumira. Yes, good for 2. Number 41 of Sinai's team. That makes the score 25 versus 34. In favor of the Philippines team. Tumira, number 15. And number 28 of Sinai's team. Looking for
Let's do what you want. Do you have no?
a back pass to number.
Go, sir. Wait, that
Number 10.
golden diamond. It's you. You're on.
Number 15. Back to number 15. Umatras.
Okay, you're under arrest.
And out of bounds.
I mean,
Bola pa rin ng Philippines. Number 15 to number,
Get the candies.
number 15. Sayang.
Oh, why he wants? Why?
Number
why
28 is controlling the ball. Pinasa sa loob. Number 14. Yes! A nice easy shot inside number
Look,
14.
if you
Number 15 is controlling right now. To number 18, back to number 15. Mahoy to Sayong. Number 22 from downtown. No good. Bye-bye. To number 2. Number 2, Tumira. A rebound by number 15. Pass by number 2. Number 15 to number 6.
Huwag niyo sayangin!
15. Number from downtown 18. No good. Number 3, Gusto Diretso. No good. Rebound by number 22 of Philippines to 15. Oh. Taking foul. Number 2 is controlling the ball right now. Number 2 to number 28. Kunti ka na. Number 28.
That's my boss.
Pinasa sa loob. Enters up by number 28. Number 18. Pinagtagumpay. Number 2. Number 2. Pinasa sa labas to... Hindi.
Wait.
To number 28. Tumira. Hindi pa rin.
Hoy, kulay blue, gising! Ayos, ayos!
15. Ayaw pa rin. Diba ba number 22?
Ayos, ayos!
Make up. Tumira. No good. Diba ba?
Yung!
Pass pa rin. Pass pa rin. That's good for 2. Number 28. 26-36. Favor of Philippines team. Number 10. Looking for an opening pass to number 2.
Lalim!
So good. Nagagawan. Number 28. Pinasa sa loob. Tumira. Yes. Good for 2. Number 10. We have a timeout.
Ngayon na nag-timeout. First timeout yata to. Kasi nagpa-practice lang sila.
Bola ng Philippines team. Number 15.
Ay!
Is controlling the ball.
I see little koala.
Oh, ayos! Ayos!
No good. Rebound by number
I
41.
see one.
Number 41. Pumasok. Yes. Good for 2. Number 41. Number 18. Looking. Nakasama to number 6. Naghanap ng kasama. Back to number 18. To number 15. Bohol. From downtown. No good. Number 10. Number 10. Pumasok sa loob. No good. Rebound by number 15.
Ayos!
Yes, team. To number 28. Asilang to number 28. And we have foul counter.
Nasa kong puso.
And to make it 3 points. May libre pang isang shot. Number 28. Alright, our score 36 versus 32 in favor of the Philippines.
Ayos! Ayos!
38. Back to number 6. No good. Rebound by number 41 of Sinai's team. Manangliling. Walang sala. Rebound by number 6. A long pass to number
Ayos! Yes!
18. A nice 3-shot committed by player number 18. Number 2.
Ayos! Ayos! Ha?
No good. By number 10 of Sinai's team. To number 2.
Third.
Number 2, pumasok. No good.
Oh, ayos!
Number 22. Pass to number 18. To number 15. Tumira sa labas. No good. Rebound by number 41. Intercept by number 28. To 18. Nabitawan yung bola.
Ay, ko sa harap. Tabi, hindi ko makita.
Kickball.
Patayin mo na ngayon.
Pagpatay na natin.
Jack's ball. Sinai's ball. Our score 38 versus 32. Last 2 minutes. Rebound by number 22. Intercept by number 2 of Sinai's team. Mabitawan yung bola. Intercept by number 28. Number 28. Pinasas. Tawa. No good. Rebound by number 10.
Pagod na.
Number 14, Kasilang. To number 2. Number 2, Miko. Number 10, Tumira. No good. Rebound by number 15 of the Philippines team. Tumira. No good. Sayang. Number 28. Marasigan. Pinasa sa loob. No good. Rebound by number 18 to number 15. And now you
Yes!
good for 2.
Go, Kuya!
46
Go,
seconds
Kuya!
more to play
Go,
in
Kuya!
this third quarter of this third game tonight. Number 28, Marasigan. Pinasa kay number 10, Tumira. Yes! Good for 3 points committed by Lacson, number 10 of Sinai team.
Lamang ba sila? Sila yung 40? Oh, wag niyo sayangin, Blue!
Number 14, foul. First personal foul, number 14. Number 15, Bohol. Pumasok sa loob. Number 2. Third personal foul committed by number 2. Wala pa raw.
Oh,
That game
you
of
cheer
the
for Kuya, oh,
third
Kuya, oh.
quarter
Go, Kuya.
of this
Go,
third game
Kuya!
tonight.
Go, Kuya!
Our score, 40
Relax.
versus 35
Kuya.
in favor
Go,
of
Kuya.
Philippines team.
Busy man si Beck.
Advance ng
Kuya! Ay!
our final
Okay.
score 40 versus 35
Okay. Ah, may
in
next
favor
pang
pa rin sa
laro.
Philippines team. Alright, simula na ng final quarter of this third game tonight.
Oh, wag sasayangin!
Number 18 to number 3, no good. And we have long ball. Number 23.
Ayos, ayos!
No good. Remember number 41. Number 41 to
Go,
number
Dada!
2. Yes! Nice easy shot committed by player number 2. Number 23.
Ay, baka magsundutan ang
Pass to number 22. Tumira sa labas agad. No good. Rebound by number 28. Tinagaw. Ni number 3. Pinasa sa number 6. No good. Nagagawan. Substitution or ano? Substitution, right? Substitution. Okay. Ano, sir? Time out. Ano, sir? Time out. First time out. Time out. 8 minutes and 3 seconds more to play this final quarter. Number 18, tumingagad sa labas. No good. Rebound by number 10. Number 10, haras by number 3. Number 10, nakawala. Lacson Dumiritzo. And we have a foul. Number 28. First, second. First personal foul committed by number 28. Number 28 to number 22. 18 to number 3. Number 3. No good rebound by number 2. Number 2 number 2 dribbling. Pinasa kay number 10. Number 10, Tumira sa labas. Pumalo up. No good. Rebound by number 6. One pass, number 18 to number 3. No good. Intercept by number 41. 28. Pumasok sa loob. Dumukot. Yes, good for 2. Number 28 of Sinai's team. That makes the score 39 versus
Ay, Blue!
40. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Philippines.
Gising!
Number 22 to number 18. Pinasa kay
Sabi,
number
tulog.
3 sa loob. Pinaling sa labas. Number 2. And we have a foul. Number 14.
I-edit ko to, paikutin ko ng paikutin lang.
Second person.
Yeah!
One shot. Number 28.
Rebecca, here.
Come here, come here.
Number 28, pinasa sa gilid. Number 10, tumira sa labas. No good. Number 20 again, nag-agawan. Number 6.
Oh, ayos!
Number 15.
Yeah!
Bola na ngayon ng Sinai. Steve. Number 2. Walang sala sa ilalim. A blind pass. And
Rebecca.
a lost ball.
Busog, mamaya ito.
Number 15, Bohol, is controlling the ball right now. The number 3, the number 28, hits it.
Ayos!
The number 15, tumira agad sa labas. No good, the ball by number 10. Number 10, naghahanap na kasama. Number 10, nabitawan yung bola. Tumira agad ng 3. No good, the ball by number 28 of Philippines.
Up! Relax!
Pass to number 6, to number 3. And we have a foul. Number 41.
Go, Dada! Go, Dada!
Second
Go,
personal foul.
Dada!
Number 3, his first attempt. Free throw shot.
Yeah!
Go, yun o.
Number 3.
Yeah!
2 shots. Number 2. Our time, 3 minutes and 39 seconds more to play, and our score is 39 versus 46.
Oh, ayos!
Favor pa rin ang Philippines team. Number 10, intercepted the ball to number 28. Number 28 right now is driving. Intercepted by number 2. 22. To number 3. To number 15.
It's okay.
Hindi nabutan yung bola. And we have a turnover. Last 3 minutes more to play in this final quarter. Number 41 to number 10 sa loob. Tumukot, yes. Nice 2 shots committed by number 10, Lacson. 2 minutes and 43 seconds more to play.
Oh, ayos! Ayusin!
9, shoot.
Yay!
Number 2 is driving the ball right now to number 10 from downtown. Yes! Good for 3, number 10.
Parang isa lang ang po yan.
2 minutes and 11 seconds more to play in this final quarter. Number 28, tackled by number 2. And we have a foul. Committed by number 2.
Napakalikot.
13 foul. Third personal foul of number 2. Committed by number 2.
Small but terrible.
Our score, 48 versus 44 in favor pa rin sa Philippines team.
Kaya pala, hindi gumagalaw yung mga player. Isa pa pala.
Free throw. No good. Rebound by number 2 of Sinai's team. Pass to number 28, number 28. Gusto pumasok, pinasa sa labas. Tumira agad, number 14. Follow up by number 28. And we have the foul shot.
Pwede bang mapaul yung katim niya?
Habang
What?
a nice one shot committed by Marasigan, number 28. In his first attempt, a free throw shot. Final attempt. Yes. Number 15. 1 minute and 43 seconds more to play. Number 15, Tumira. Good play, number 2 of Sinai Steve. Pass to number 10, Tumira sa labas. Yes! Good for 3. And we have a timeout. And that makes 21 seconds more to play in this final showdown of the third game tonight. Bola na ngayon ng Philippines team na may kalamangan ng 1 point. Number 15, pass to number 18. Rebound by number 28. And we have a foul number 3. First personal foul of number 3. Bola na ngayon ng bounds ang Sinai's team. From downtown, nag-agawan, number 18, umikot, a pass break to number 15. Yes, number 15. 29 seconds more to play in this final crucial. Along pass number 10 from downtown. No good. Number 3 to number 15. Yes, the nice two shot committed by number 15. And we have a timeout. Our score 54 versus 49 in favor of Paris.
Bukas ako yung manat.
Ako na hindi nagagaling.
Number 28, Omararo. Gustong pumasok. 22 seconds more to play. Number 2 to number 10. Tumira agad sa labas from downtown. Yes! And then, to number 3, 12 seconds more to play.
Relax! Relax lang!
7
Relax.
seconds more to play. Alright.
Shoot!
Let's go!
That's the end of
Go to Dada! Go to Dada! Bilis! Hanapin mo! Hanapin mo! Hanapin mo! Hanapin mo! Hanapin mo!
49 in favor of
Where?
Philippines team. Congratulations to Philippines team.
CJ daw. Sabi niya, CJ! Sabi niya.
Best player for tonight's game. Saludo. Hang on tight for the final game. The fourth game for tonight. Saludo, best player for tonight's third game.